Yo, welcome back to more Mansa. It is your boy Mansa, man. We back again with another reaction video, guys. Look, we got Schoolboy Freaks of Nature in the South African school rugby system. Let's check this out, man. Oh, shoot. Oh, yeah, he ain't going down. You ain't taking him down. Oh, my gosh.
Keep to play, let the
He was a bull.
Get the medics on.
Yeah, stay down.
Oh my. Oh my God. Ooh, thank you.
Good work here. Cunha. Oh, here we go. So going in.
Ran him over.
Great over. Offload to Dakers. And that's Suman. Great cross.
Perfect. Oh, shoot, thank you. Yo, my gosh. Oh my, ain't no way you can tackle like that. Pick him up and just body slam.
Sure will be the man to try and
Oh my goodness.
done just that.
Oh my gosh, just treating them like some little girls.
Finds the 10. Paul. Backwards, the ref says. Prinsloo. Finds Sharankani.
Oh my.
Speedy Ramaloka. What a tackle in the corner.
Oh my gosh.
Oakdale get the opportunity to take the 3 points. Big hit coming in.
Boy, no way. He didn't even have the ball. Boy, ain't no way I'm playing this sport.
From Ruiz, showing why they've used their forwards the whole day. Depth on the
come here.
pass. Now, boys eye, coming alive. Pass is working, sticking.
Oh, he's gone.
Magic
He's gone.
stuff.
He's gone.
Carving through. Angelo.
He's gone.
Oh,
Out of here.
gosh, he's done
Out of
it.
here. Fake. Oh my gosh. Smack that man. He's gone. He's gone. Oh my, ran him over.
Lutz goes short side, sticks it on the boot. It hangs for Dion, and away they go. It's going to be a score for Paul Boys.
Touchdown. I mean, try.
The bounce of the rugby ball has brought Forest Street Stadium and
Hey, they lit, bro.
supporters to life.
He ain't doing fast as hell. Okay, we got some speedsters. We got some speedsters. Ran him over. Come here. Touchdown. Try. Ooh, good bait. Run him over. Stiff arm. Oh, that's crazy. You can keep going after you knock down on the ground. Big boy. That's a big boy. That's a big boy. Oh my God. Hey, you're not tackling that man. I'm not trying to go tackle him. Forget that.
Taking him by the spantation. He's going to be elusive. He's going to run hard. Here we go. He knows which way to go. That's straight again. He scored. Absolutely brilliant running there by the
Ooh.
my word.
That was nice.
What an individualistic piece of brilliance there.
That pass was nice. How do you not tackle him though? I think it's harder to tackle someone, to get somebody down on rep, because you got to tackle a certain type of way. In football, he would have been tackled, I feel like.
The captain, Sherwood going on full heels, still going offload. Great work here, by Bishop. Good try.
There's a blindside move on here. He sent it to Gertza. They're not sharp to it, boys. High. There's space in behind. Gertza over the top. The chip, the chase. Kerwin Gertza. This derby is all yours. It's all yours, young man.
It's all yours, young man. Hey, crowd going crazy. Oh my gosh, number 3? Stiff arm. Stiff arm number 3. He should have stiffed armed me. Oh, he scored anyway. Hey, that stiff arm would have been mean from number 3 though.
Positive intent into contact. They want to dominate the collision. There's a chance of a try there. Because Vituo did so well with the carry. Now have a look at this from Vessels. The big chase by the big man.
Big boy. Durbanville. Yeah, Durbanville. Even though y'all losing. They must have gave him the lead right there.
Bobby Alexander, Chandri Berger, Ethan James, and then Swanepoel outside the Hansa. Hansa's around his head, and now he's cutting in. He's got something on his mind here.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You ain't catching me. You ain't catching me. Anybody number 14, they gonna be fast, bro. That's what I've learned. Pick him up off the ground. Stellenberg. Better stop that.
Throws the dummy. Oh, through. Kier Meaden looking at his options. Decides to
Run,
bring the
run,
kick.
run.
It's being hunted. It's fielded.
Touchdown.
What a try.
Oh, somebody's at my door.
Fanica. Oh, Fanica rumbles forward, taking Foreman with him. And a great
Marysburg. Oh,
run
that's in
from the
Durban as well.
crowd.
I mean, it's in, yeah, Durban. Peter Marysburg.
Bishop's Day, but in the end, Jacques Joster applies.
Is that Cape Town?
One final time, heaves the ball into touch, and the Bosch boys come.
Where is this at? Oh my gosh, they storming the field.
It's time to celebrate away from home.
I heard this before. Oh, they lit. I like the war cries, y'all. Oh, that's not the end. What school is this though? Oh, what did I do? Look, man, I hope you guys enjoyed my guys' commentary. This is my life. I'll be